All are handmade?
That's right.
Oh, wow.
Special technique for the plating. So we do gold plating, rose gold plating, and silver plating. You know, it's turned out more beautiful than the hair casting.
Hey friend, this is Amit Mulani from Amit Mulani and team, and we are here at the Bangkok Jam and Jewellery Show 2024 at Bangkok. So right now we are at the stall called TQ925. It is the silver jewellery manufacturer, and with me representative Miss Ploy. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. How are you?
Absolutely fine.
That's
so
great.
she's the deputy manager of the company, and definitely we have been passed over here, and we have found that this is the beautiful jewelry been crafted with the different kind of the alloy. So let me ask about the jewelry details. Ma'am, can you tell me about your company establishment?
Right. We are established at 1999.
1999.
Yes.
Okay, it is more than 25 years now.
That's right. I'm the second generation from my parents.
Okay.
Yes.
Perfect. And in of wall manufacturing inside the Thailand only?
That's right.
It is a Thailand-based company.
Thailand-based company.
Okay. So now I'm seeing these particular jewelries, but
Yes.
these are with the two tone of the color. So can you
Right.
please explain that?
Well-
what kind of the material we have used inside this?
Well, basically the base jewelry is silver,
Okay.
but then we do different special technique for the plating. So we do gold plating, rose gold plating, and silver plating. So different
Okay.
two-tone and three-tone plating for the silver on the silver.
On the silver. So
Yes,
base
that's right.
material is the silver only.
That's right, silver 925 only.
Okay. And other than that, there are any different kind of the jewelries there?
Well, basically I do different collections. So
Okay.
mostly these are like the flowers collections, and also
I'm saying that this is a cat.
yes, and also animals. We also have
The
variety
elephant.
of the animals as well. So that you
So
can choose.
what
of.
kind of the consumers are generally purchasing this product?
Usually right now, a lot are from India as well and from China. They are, they mostly like the design because it's really unique, and
Yeah,
also
absolutely.
they are all handmade.
All are handmade?
That's right.
Oh, wow.
Like carving handmade, no
Okay.
casting.
And so this is the unique.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yes.
Perfect.
Every piece we do handmade is pretty take a lot of time, but
Yeah,
it's
absolutely.
it's turned out more beautiful than the casting design.
Absolutely. And it's generated the value.
That's right.
When it been wear by the clients, though, definitely they feel pleasure and
That's
we
true.
can say obvious happiness.
That's right.
So particularly Indians and Chinese are the clients of yours.
Mostly
and-
right now,
Yeah.
and also some from European countries as well.
So you people are exporting the jewelry in the European countries
Yes,
also.
Europe
Okay.
and also Australia that
Okay.
we're exporting right now.
Okay, that's great. In how many different shows we are participating?
Mostly I do in Bangkok, Gems and Jewellery, and also I do in Hong Kong as well.
Okay.
Yes,
So
this
your
is
clients.
to.
So the business model is B2B.
That's right. Yes.
Yeah. So
B2B.
singular piece orders. Are you entertaining or?
Well, I
minimum order
actually trying to expand to B2C as well. I just created another brand called Lervisit.
Lovely.
Yes,
Okay.
so Lervisit is another brand that we sell one piece design, and also
So-
have a shop in the new face booth over there as well.
So this is the new generation thinking about the B2C.
That's right.
Okay. And what is the minimum order quantity for the B2B? Like if I want to go with these pieces,
Right.
then what is the minimum order
The
quantity?
minimum is only 15 pieces.
15 pieces only.
per, yes, per
Oh,
design.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Great. And can you give me the price of this particular product?
Well,
Like
this one is around $17.
$17.
Yes,
Okay.
per
Okay.
pair for the wholesale. But it really depends on the weight actually. If it's a lighter weight,
Okay.
like for example, these
Okay.
kind of design, they are like 13.
$13. Okay,
Yes.
perfect. And this is the presentation box only, or with the product it will come?
Oh, just the
Box?
product.
Just a product.
That's
no?
right.
Okay, perfect. Oh, it's a beautiful one.
Thank you.
Again, I must say that in the wall particular exhibition, I haven't seen any kind of this jewelry. So,
Thank
but
you.
obviously, I'm wishing a great luck for
Right.
future endeavors. and definitely you will grow very good in all over the world with a
Hopefully.
B2C brand.
Thank you.
Yeah? Thank you so much and have
Thank
a
you.
great year ahead. Thank
Thank
you
you.
and God bless.
अगर आप इंडिया से जेम्स एंड ज्वेलरी एक्सपोर्ट इंपोर्ट बिजनेस सीखना चाहते हैं तो ज्वाइन कीजिए ऑनलाइन मास्टर कोर्स हिंदी और इंग्लिश में। फॉर मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन विजिट amitmulani.com।